Hi guys, we're playing Breaking Story 2 and we're in the ending. And I need to find some item.
There's last now. There's last now. All.
What can I, bro? I can eat, bro.
Where are you? Come on, Ken! Come on, Ken!
Maghanap pa tayo dito, Matt. Nakikita.
I found one item.
May nakita ka?
4 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Bakit ka
No.
tumutagbo doon?
Bro, teacher!
Wala. Dito ba?
Na natin item.
I don't know how to play this game. But I beat a lot of bad guys. I almost died. And I cannot even eat. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, yo! What are you doing? Ano ginagawa nila?
Nagsasalita sila.
I know, and what are they talking about? Like, what the heck?
Walang teacher.
Wala. Wala na dito. Bawal? Wala. Ayun! Storage!
Ay!
Baka may na-miss ako dito. Hi! Hi!
Wala lang.
Wala.
No item again! There's teacher!
Ang hirap magkita. Saan ka?
Bro, teacher, why you not attack me?
Teacher! Teacher! Teacher!
Bro, dead. Hello, teacher. Natapos mo na.
Let's go! Okay, ito ba yung final ending o ano?
Ito, nagsasalita
Okay.
sila.
Take a deep breath.
Oh, shit.
So, the headmaster has given us me this assignment. Lurly, what
wait,
do
yeah,
you
it's
want?
all
Si Lurly yan! Si Lurly?
Hindi yan si
Hey.
Mary.
Si Mary. Si Mary! Ito si Lurly! What the heck?
Ito.
Have this to
Hindi
give
ganyan
to
mukha niyan.
you. What the heck are you saying? Get it here. You would see in a middle of Lurly, how you going, bud?
What? Bro, this is Larry.
Good. Thank you, Barry.
Bro,
Lurly, get
Get
lost.
huwag mo sabihin yung Larry. Get lost. Natapos na natin yung 1812 na.
What does the note say?
Oh my gosh. You won't.
Oh my gosh! You won't believe this. It's a love
Bro,
note. Ha ha
dalaw,
ha.
she's so
Ha ha.
hot. It's not scary, bro.
The poor kid.
What's that?
Now this is the ending, right? Is this the ending, right? This the ending, right? It's been so long. Kala ko, animation lang. What the hell? I'm eating. We're in the deeper part of the school. Something is wrong. Mary is nearby.
nearby.
Don't let her see you.
Ay, wait lang. Green light, red light. Yun ah.
Bro, what the hell? The red, green light is called just
Mag-hide ka pang nakita.
this rose ain't meant to. If Mary disappears, find a place to hide.
Ayun.
Tatago tayo dito. Pwede dito ka.
Red light.
Saan ka?
There's nothing. Destroy. Who is destroy?
Ito, my gold, ko.
Ito, red light, red
Tago,
light.
tago. Wait.
May isa pa doon.
I know. Wag. Let's go!
May makikita na tayo. Dito tayo hide.
Hide. Hala, yung friend natin. I can't realize he can't.
Bro, I'm lost.
Ha?
Nag-jumpscare ako, nakita ako. Kunti lang nang sinasira. Bro, that's scary.
Ah!
But you jump scare you lows. Get that.
Memory complete. Okay. What the heck are you? I have to get this assignment done. Pwede na tayo magkain. Kahit mother will be free.
Bro, ha? It's not reboot, bro.
Kaya si Lily may ganun sa back niya. Yung ano. Okay, let's go! Ay, wait lang. Wow! What the hell?
Why I am back here?
Ducky!
Get this ducky.
We're outside the headmaster office. We're almost there.
Bakit may ano? Wait lang. Okay na. Wait lang. Abby yan. Abby.
Hey! Thanks! I miss the dog so much. Namatay ba yung dog o na-knock out lang yun?
Nanak.
Yo! There's the dog!
Oh, bigla ako malaglag. Oh.
Let's go. Come on. Wow!
What the fuck?
Come on, ah.
No, wait. Ayun na.
What the?
Hello, Tex. Why you not attacking me, bro?
Wait lang. Bye guys, like and subscribe. I'm gonna film another
Uy,
video.
hindi pa